Hey, want to grow fresh, organic veggies right in your backyard? Want to do it with no harmful chemicals, but you're not really sure where to start? Let me show you how in just a few simple steps. Welcome to the world of organic gardening, where healthy soil, happy plants, and clean food all come together to transform your life. Step 1. Start with living soil. The foundation of organic gardening is all about that good, rich soil. Mix in compost, worm castings, and other organic matter to feed the beneficial microbes. Those tiny organisms make nutrients available to your plants, resulting in nutrient-packed plants and produce. Step 2. Choose the right plants. Plant varieties that thrive in your unique climate. In cooler areas, plant leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale. In warmer zones, tomatoes, peppers, and herbs like basil and mint are a great choice. And don't forget to mix in some flowers like marigolds. Not only do they look beautiful, they also help repel pests naturally. Step 3. Ditch the chemicals. Say no to harmful pesticides and synthetic fertilizers. Instead, use natural pest control methods like neem oil, garlic spray, or insecticidal soap to keep those pesky bugs away. These eco-friendly options protect your plants without harming the environment. Step 4. Water smart. Watering your garden is essential, especially during dry spells. But do it the smart way. Water early in the morning to prevent water waste and disease. Use a drip system or soaker hoses to deliver water directly to the roots. It's the best way to keep your garden thriving without wasting a drop. Step 5. Feed, don't force. Just like us, plants need nourishment to stay strong and healthy. Once every couple weeks, treat your plants to a compost tea or organic fertilizer. This natural approach to feeding your garden provides the essential nutrients your plants crave. And there you have it. In just 5 simple steps, you're well on your way to growing your own organic garden. It's easier than you think, and the benefits are truly amazing. Imagine the taste of fresh homegrown veggies and the satisfaction of knowing exactly what went into your food. Plus, you'll be doing your part to protect the environment from harmful chemicals. So grab some tools, get a little dirty, and watch your garden grow wild and clean. Hit that like button, subscribe for more gardening tips, and let your garden be your sanctuary. Happy gardening!